Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the correct Lenovo replacement tips and a tip removal tool or small pliers. You'll also turn off the tablet or disable touch input to avoid accidental marks. Once ready, hold the pen and remove the plastic cap if present, then steady the barrel and gently pull the existing tip straight out. Do this slowly to avoid bending the shaft. Steady, even force prevents damage and keeps the replacement tip matching the pen's alignment. Now take the replacement tip, check that it's clean and straight, and line it up with the pen's tip socket. Insert it straight in, do not angle or twist because the internal nib seating relies on axial pressure. Push firmly and evenly until you feel it seat or click. This ensures the contact springs and sensors align. Once seated, gently flex the tip to confirm it's secure. If it feels loose, remove and reinsert. Correct seating prevents skipped strokes, and after installing, turn the device back on and open a drawing or note app to test pressure, tilt, and responsiveness across strokes. If pressure sensitivity is off or the pen skips, power cycle the tablet and test again, then try reseating the tip or installing a different spare tip to rule out a faulty nib. Make sure firmware and drivers are current. If problems persist despite correct seating and fresh tips, contact Lenovo support for diagnostics. Do not force components or apply excessive heat, which can cause permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.